Video. We've got some freezing rain and snow. I love the cold, so this is perfect for me. It's hard to see the temp, but it looks like we're at around well, 0, surprisingly. The greenhouse is a little bit rough for wear, but it's still surviving. Since I'm running catfish now, I really don't heat it at all. And in here, we have a nice and warm 40 degrees with the door open, which I'll probably close before I leave. Now it looks like I've been getting some critters over here because I've noticed this thing has been getting knocked down, which means there's something coming in here going after, I don't know, the algae or something. The fish are probably cold and hanging out near the bottom there. They don't move very much. Another sign of some sort of critters is these things floating in the water. These are the growth stones, which probably came out of here, which means I probably had something foraging around here. Most likely a mouse or a rat or something. The mushroom chamber is pretty much not super active. I had some